So welcome back, students, for your I think fourth lecture in statistical mechanics. Okay, so in last class I had come till here that particles does not obey. I was doing this Bose-Einstein statistics. So particles does not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, so everybody knows about Pauli's exclusion principle. You have studied in I think physics also, but chemistry you have studied definitely in class 11 or 12. That what is Pauli's exclusion principle? No two particles having same quantum numbers can exist in the same state, but this does not obey. This does not obey that. Okay, particles are indistinguishable. Okay, then uh, particles are indistinguishable and identical particles, you can tell. Indistinguishable and identical. Particles are indistinguishable and identical. Particles have integral spin. Okay, the integral spin means I mean 0 2 the 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 multiples of h cut. Spin means basically spin quantum number, that is spin angular momentum quantum number, that is ms actually. Okay, so where h cut, everyone knows what is h cut. Okay, h by 2 pi, h is the Planck's constant. Okay, acha. Particles are indistinguishable, particles have integral spin, particles does not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. Mainly these are, in all the three postulates, these are the main postulates. Okay, the other postulates are total energy and total number of particles, total energy and total number of particles of the entire system. Total energy and total number of particles of the entire system is constant. Okay, total energy and total number of particles of the entire system is constant. Okay. Then another very interesting property is they'll have wave function, because Bose-Einstein, this is Bose-Einstein. Okay, this is after S.N. Bose, Professor Satyendranath Bose and Albert Einstein. Okay, Einstein. Okay, that's it. The wave function of the system, is symmetric. The wave function of the system is symmetric. What does this mean? Wave function of the system is symmetric. This means that if you have, by the interchange of the particles, the interchange of the position of the particles, there is no nothing happens. That is psi 1 2 3 n is equal to psi 1 2 3 say r comma s comma n is equal to psi 1 2 3 instead of ru, if you write sr n, nothing happens to the wave function there. I mean, this is this is called as symmetry. Okay, this is called as symmetric wave function. For Fermi-Dirac it is antisymmetric, that is this will be antisymmetric. That is basically, simple thing is psi 1 2 is equal to psi 2 1. Okay, this is called as symmetric wave function. Psi 1 2 is equal to psi 2 1. This is called as a symmetric wave function. Example, very important is example of These are called as the particles following these Bose-Einstein statistics are called as bosons. The particles are called as boson particle. So example of boson are what? Very important example which all of you have studied. It's still in your fresh in your mind. Photon. That have you studied this photon? First you have studied that in Max Planck's distribution, Max Planck's law. Photon. Okay. Achha, photon are massless particles. There's no, I mean, no rest mass. Okay. Then there is photon, photon particle. Okay. Then after photon there is phonon. After photon there is phonon. Okay. Then phonon, all mesons. That is pi, eta, kappa. Okay. All of these are examples of bosons. Okay. All of these are examples of bosons. So these are the example of bosons. There are also other examples, alpha particles. Okay, alpha particles are examples of bosons. Acha. Then pi, eta, kappa mesons are example of 2H1. Okay, 2H1 deuterium. Acha. 12C6. You see, if you do 12C6, if you calculate its atomic number from the electronic configuration, you will see. I think the ultimate spin becomes 0 or the integral multiple. Achha, 12C6, 1608. Okay, these are the examples of bosons. Okay, these are the examples of bosons. Okay, how are the particles arranged here? How are the particles arranged here? In case of I had taken two particles. In case of Maxwell-Boltzmann, I had taken two particles and three energy levels. So here also, I'll take these two particles and three energy levels, and these are the energy states. Okay, you can also tell these as this can also be told as cell. These cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, like this you can also tell them. Achha, so first the particles here in Maxwell-Boltzmann I had taken as AB. Okay, Maxwell-Boltzmann I had taken as AB. Here I will not take AB, here I will take what? Since the particles are indistinguishable, so I will take AA. So AA, in here there will be nothing. Since it does not obey Pauli exclusion principle, any number of particles can be in any state. Okay, so AA, and this will be AA, this will be 0 0, this will be AA, this will be 0 0. Achha, then A0A. Achha, this again, this A0, if this were A0B, this would have been B0A, so that state is not there. Achha, now 0AA, that will be here, and AA0. Okay, so these many states will be there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 microstates. 6 microstates in total will be there. Okay, 6 microstates will be there. Achha. Then comes your Fermi statistics. Achha. Here one thing I have to mention that here I told 9 microstates. In case of Maxwell-Boltzmann, I told how can you do 9? That is actually 3 square. That is that is 3 square. That is 3 square. That is 3 energy levels. Okay, you multiply this by the square of it. Okay, how? Now here from here only you are saying that I had done 2 square. Whatever is the number, number of what is it? Here there are two number of two energy states distinguishable in two cells you are taking. Okay, so that will be the number of states to the power of 2. Okay, so now here also see the number of states are basically 2. Okay, two cells are here, so here you are doing 2 cube. Okay, no, I mean 2 cube. Why 2 cube? Now, here the number of particles is 3, so that is why 3 it is here. And here the number of particles is what? Number of particles is 2, and this 2 stands for this thing. This thing stands for this number of cells. The number of cells is 2, number of particles is 2. So that is 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of cells are 2 for all these cases. In 2 boxes you are doing, na? So here, so that is 2, and number of particles here is 3. So 2 to the power 3, 8. So similarly here, the number of number of states here is 3. Number of energy levels are 3. So 3 to the power of number of particles. So here there will be number of energy levels, and this one will be number of particles. This one will be the number of particles. Okay, you have to do like this. These are the things. Okay, so now let us come to Fermi-Dirac statistics. Now let us come to the Fermi-Dirac statistics. What is the Fermi-Dirac statistics? Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, Fermi-Dirac statistics. So again, for Fermi-Dirac statistics, you will have you will require the postulates. Okay, so what are the main postulates? What are the main postulates? Number 1 is, see here, particles are indistinguishable. So the same thing, the particles are identical and indistinguishable. Particles are identical and indistinguishable. Achha. Number 2 is what? Particles obey the Pauli's exclusion principle. Particles obey the Pauli's exclusion principle. Number 3, that is, no two particles can be in the same energy state. Achha. Particles have half integral spin. Okay, half integral spin angular momentum. Half integral spin angular momentum in units of h cut. particles have half integral spin. That is, for example, best example is electron. That is plus minus half, plus minus 3 by 2, plus minus 5 by 2, like this. Okay. Number 4 is these particles. These particles have antisymmetric. These particles have antisymmetric wave function. These particles have antisymmetric wave function. Okay. So example, antisymmetric wave function is one, that is psi 1 2 is equal to minus psi 2 1. Okay, psi 1 2 will be equal to minus psi 2 1. So examples of here are, the particles which obey these postulates are called as fermions. Okay, fermions are what? The best example is electron, proton, okay, neutron, mu meson. See, I have told here pi, eta, and kappa meson are are called as bosons, and here mu mesons are bosons. Okay, then tritium. Tritium is a fermion. Then 3 helium 2. Okay, then 7 lithium 3, and 13 C6. All these are example of fermions. Okay, all these are example of fermions. Now if you do this arrangement thing, what will you get? How many energy levels are there? 3 energy levels are there. 1, 2, 3. So E, 2E, and 3E. E, 2E, and 3E, and you have got 2 particles. So particles does not obey Fermi trap. So this is for Bose-Einstein statistics. So these 3 states will not be there then. This A, so this will not happen because it obeys Fermi-Dirac statistics. So this also A will not happen. This also will not happen. Okay, only these 3 states will be there. So what will be the 3 states? Is A0, 0, A, and A0A. Only these 3 states. So 3 microstates will be there. Okay, 3 microstates will be there. Okay, so suppose here if you I mean change the particle position here. Say from here to here the particle comes, then the wave function will be negative. So that is only called as anti-symmetric wave function. Okay. Now another thing which you need to know here is that now these are the simplest examples I have taken. Okay, only 3 energy levels and the 2 particles. Okay, now if there are many energy levels and many particles, how will this arrangement become, and what will be the number of microstate, that is W? How will you calculate that? There is a formula for that. Okay, there is a formula for that. Now how will you calculate that? Let me write it. Okay, so say consider a system. Consider a system having energy level. Consider a system having energy levels E1, okay, E2, E3, many energy levels. Okay, and the number of particles and the number of particles in these levels, and the number of particles in these levels are, say, n1, n2, n3. Okay, again dot 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 like this. So let g1, g2, g3 dot 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 be the number of sublevels, number of, say, sublevels or quantum quantum states or phase cell. Okay, correspondingly. Okay, suppose you take this example. Consider a system having energy levels E1, E2, E3. Say E2, E3. So E1, E2, E3, and the number of particles in these levels are, say, for in these levels are how many number of particles? Here for this E level there are these 2 particles. So now this is the simplest system. There are only hundreds of particles. Okay, levels are, say, n1, n2. Let g1, g2 be the number of sublevels or quantum states of phase cell corresponding. The number of the sublevels or quantum states. These are the quantum states corresponding to the energy E. These are the quantum states. This first state, second state, this also has energy E. This also has, although the particles are here, there is no particle here. Here there is one particle. So this particle will have energy E. So this is one quantum state. This is one quantum state. Okay. Similarly here also, this is one quantum state, 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 like that. Okay, so like that only. Okay, correspondingly. Now, for this thing, that is Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, for MB statistics, the number of this thing is given as, simply I think I told little bit more here. Simply you think that this is the have energy levels E1, E2, E3, and number of particles in these levels are N1, N2, N3, and let GY number of states. Okay, basically it's the number of sublevels or just the number of states. What is the number of states here? Simply here the number of states are what? E2, E3, so 3 states. Here how many are the number of states? In this case, here how many are the number of states? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states. Okay, 4 energy levels, so 4 states. Okay, so here how many are the number of states? 2. Okay, here also how many are the number of states? 2. Okay, always 2 here. So in this case there is a formula. What is the formula? So for Maxwell-Boltzmann MB statistics, the formula is the formula for the total number of microstates. The total number of microstates is given as W. Total number of microstates is definitely W, ln W, because S is equal to Nk into ln W. I had written in that class only. In my first class I have written W I had written as omega, isn't it? Mm, omega is equal to unique, is equal to 1. Omega I had written as omega is known as the of the system. The total number of accessible that is consistent with the constant condition of the given state microstates corresponding to macrostate is known as the thermodynamic probability. The total number of accessible microstates. Okay, so that I had written as omega or W. Okay, you can write it as omega or W also. You can write L and W. Okay, so omega or W or omega also you can write. Okay, so that is given as n factorial into gi to the power of ni divided by ni factorial. So what is ni here? Ni here is how many particles are there? Two particles. So 2 factorial. Acha, gi is the number of energy states. So 2 to the power 2 divided by here also this is 2 factorial. So 2 factorial 2 will cancel. So this is sorry, gi is 3. Gi is 3. Number of states are 3 here. Number of energy states are 3. Number of energy states are 3. Okay, so here that is 3 square. So total number is 9. So total number is 9. You see here the total number of microstates is 9. Total number of microstates is 9. Okay, so for BE, for BE, this W or omega will be W or omega will be what? W or omega will be, that will be more concrete now. That is actually Ni plus Gi minus 1 factorial divided by Ni factorial into Gi minus 1 factorial. Okay, so here Ni is what? Ni is equal to number of particles 2, Gi is equal to number of states is 3. So what do you get here? Ni is 2 plus 3 minus 1 factorial divided by 2 factorial into Gi minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 factorial. So 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 1 is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial. So 2 to the 4. So this will be 4 to 2, so 6. So see here, ultimately this 6 only, there are 6 microstates. Okay, acha. Then for FD, for FD, W or omega is equal to what? For FD statistics, the formula is Gi factorial by Ni factorial into Gi minus Ni factorial. Okay, now Gi is what here? Again, Gi is 3 factorial by N is 2 factorial into Gi is 3 minus N is 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial. Okay, so 3 by 2, so that is 3. So here there are already 3 microstates. Okay, so these are the formula actually. Achha, now for example, let us do this one. This example which I had done in the lecture 2, I think, that is this thing. Now here the thing is that I have given a constraint that total energy is 6E. Now if I had not given the total number of the constant that total energy is 6E, now there would have been many numerous amount of states. Okay, so in this example, if in the exam, if this is given, that okay, this is the thing, so find out the total number of microstates. Then how will you do? Now this has been made simpler because of this constant total energy E. So in this case, what happens? In this case, In this case, let me do here only. What is the, I mean, here you are following just simple yeah, Maxwell Boltzmann statistics. Okay, here you are following Maxwell Boltzmann statistics here. So what is the formula for Maxwell Boltzmann statistics? W is equal to n factorial into gi to the power ni divided by ni factorial. Okay, so here n is what? N is 3 abc, so 3 particles are 3. Okay, n is 3 here. Ni is also this is 3, and gi is how much? Gi is, see here, 1 2 3 4. Gi is 4. So you will put here, that is n here 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and gi you will put 4. 4 to the power ni will be this thing. So 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64 will be the number of, in this case 64 will be the number of actually the microsteps. Okay, so for this thing you need these formula. So these formulas you need to learn by heart. Okay, these formulas are very important formulas. These three formulas you need to learn by heart. This one for B statistics, acha, for FD statistics, this one. Okay, so these are the formulas which you really need to learn by heart. So if you memorize this nicely, so in the exam, if little bit difficult thing comes, so you can calculate the total number of microsteps. Question can come that for this, what is the value of the entropy? This can be asked. Okay, so then you will write this one. Okay, so thank you today up till this much only I will do. In the next class I will proceed with the distribution function. How the distribution function looks like for Maxwell Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac. Okay, so thank you.